How do you fix Paralives is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. In the general tab you want to add -DX11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And next you can close Steam and open up your browser. Navigate to this link which you can find in the description below. And from this table here for the redistributables, you will need to download and install the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish this, it will require you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you'll need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates installed. So if you have NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And check for your driver updates and make sure to download and install the latest available version. And once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam, run it as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and it should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.